everyone, this is Paukshti Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to give you a full review of the dress I'm wearing now. This is a woolen dress. It's lined. I like the fact that the lining is not stitched to the bottom. I love such dresses. They are very comfortable. I know that it's pretty hard to make them, but the result is worth it. The dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. Have a look at the chest dart. There are also two waist tucks here. Have a close look at the way they were made. They were stitched in between the two lines. You should always make the tucks this way when working with the striped fabrics. This is a very useful technique. Have a look at me. The tucks make me look much slimmer than I really am. It's true that I've lost some weight, but my body is still pretty perfect. It's square. The tucks make it look like my waist is pretty slim. Have a close look at them once again. There are also two tucks on each side of the center back. What is important is there are the dark details in the tucks. Have a very close look at them. This is a jacket dress. There is a square neckline in it. The angles in the neckline are round. There are 2 rows of buttons on the front. There are 10 buttons here. There are also 3 buttons in each sleeve. I decorated the bands with them. The sleeves are lined as well. I've already showed you how to make different jackets. In those videos, I showed you all the details very thoroughly. A jacket dress is also a jacket. I'm not a big fan of the vertical stripes, but in this case, the stripes had to be vertical. The fabric is of a very high quality. The name of the producer is Ruffo Coli. As I've already said, the dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. Have a close look at the seams. Notice that they're absolutely straight. Due to this fact, the dress looks very beautiful. I want you to understand that not only the colors and the designs make the garments look stylish. Such tiny details are also very important. There is no need to make a vent on the back in such dress. The opening at the front would be enough. Such openings are very comfortable. I can move in it without any problems. What else did I want to tell you? I've already told you about the lining. The dress is double-breasted. Watch the video on how to make button stands if you haven't done it yet. It's very useful. In my case, the button stand extension is about 8 cm wide. I remind you that its width in the double-breasted garment should be from 6 to 9 cm. Have a look at me once again. This is a double-breasted jacket dress. There are 10 buttons on the front, and there is no collar in the dress. You do not necessarily have to make collars in the jacket dresses. I want you to have a look at the details once again. At the shoulders, the sleeves, the back. Have a look at the tucks. I have one more jacket dress. Do you remember my green one? I've lost some weight, so it should be altered. This is my second jacket dress. Guys, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't think that you are a professional if you manage to do something once. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshti Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.